It is a big move that could dilute the RTI. Sources are telling your channel that the government is mulling an ordinance to keep political parties out of the ambit of the RTI. This after the CIC's order on the 3rd of June, which clarified that 6 political parties, including the BJP and the Congress, are covered under the RTI.
Things are under dialogue, and we are seriously discussing on many aspects that there are institutions, there are corporates, there are NGOs, there are many organizations that whether they need to come under this or not, whether how the people of the nation and different sections would accept this RTI version of most transparent version they would accept or not, that is under dialogue.
देखिए आरटीआई के संदर्भ में ऑलरेडी जो राजनीतिक दल हैं वो चुनाव आयोग के द्वारा कवर्ड हैं और उसकी बहुत सारी जानकारियां चुनाव आयोग के द्वारा पाई जा सकती हैं और इसके अतिरिक्त और वो किसी विषय पे एम्बिट में लाना चाहते हैं और कितनी एजेंसीज के थ्रू लाना चाहते हैं तो जब पूरा प्रस्ताव आएगा तब निर्णय दिया जा सकता है.
Well, that's the big story that is coming in right now, that the move could dilute the RTI. Sources are telling your channel that the government is mulling an ordinance to keep political parties out of the ambit of the RTI. Sanket Upadhyay now giving us more details on this. Sanket, clearly this is a move that would dilute the RTI. What is it that the political parties are so afraid of?
Well, Tina, as far as the political parties are concerned, especially the 6 big national political parties, including the Congress, the BJP, the NCP, the BSP and the CPIM, they are all maintaining that political parties are not government organizations, which was the intended issue as far as the RTI is concerned, to get transparency about government functioning. And because these are individuals or a gathering of individuals, they are accountable to the Election Commission. So there would be duplicity, which is something that political parties are talking about at this moment. They feel that the CIC and its interpretation of the word agencies has been wrong, and that is why they are considering 2 options. One is the ordinance route, and the second is perhaps an amendment, but that would be a lot clearer in the few days to come in the future as to when the monsoon session will actually be. It is usually in the 3rd week of June. So it will be a lot clearer whether the government will show great urgency as far as going for an ordinance or would actually wait for the monsoon session to bring an amendment.
Right. Many thanks for the moment, Sanket. We will keep our eyes on that story as it develops over the next few days because it could have huge implications.